Startups generally need to connect with over 100 investors before they can get one investment deal closed. The numbers show that there's a lot more that goes into reaching out to investors than just sending a simple email. Also, you need to build a relationship with investors over a period of time before you start looking for funding. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Once you've spent a lot of time and effort preparing all your investment materials such as your pitch deck, your investor send-out deck, your financial model, your valuation model, etc., then you're now ready to reach out to investors. But how do you start to reach out to investors? As a consultant, I advise you to start off with research. It is important for you to identify the ideal investor for you. You would like to know what the industry focus is of the investor, what their ticket size is, what areas or locations are they investing in or active in. Make a long list of investors that tick the boxes of criteria you have written down. You can then narrow down or prioritize on investors that have the highest probability of investing in your startup. You can look at additional criteria such as, is the investor willing to invest not only money but time and skills into my company? How strong is the network of the investor, and what is their track record in investing in companies similar to yours? Once you've identified your ideal investor, you can now start to reach out to them. As mentioned previously, cold emails are not effective in reaching out to potential investors. I'll give you 3 examples on how you can reach out to investors. First, you should focus on your network. Focus on attending events, conferences, or even joining an acceleration program where you get the opportunity to interact with investors. A second example is to use your own network. See if you have mutual connections with any investor and try to get warm introductions. Actually, PwC is well connected and can definitely help you in this regard. Thirdly, be visible. Make sure investors can find you. It is important for you to register on key databases such as Crunchbase, PitchBook, Dealroom, and so on and so forth. Also use social media to talk about your company's success and also express thought leadership. Once your reach out process has been successful, what happens when an investor schedules the first meeting? What should you prepare? Find out the different stages of conversations with investors in our blog post. Click on the link in the description.